Hey there and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Yesterday we reported that President's Day was a good day for people to take a breath, take a look at their accounts, determine their next move. Well, it looks like the initial plans right now is to sell. The futures are down for all three indexes. They're looking to drop about 0.6% after the opening bell. That would snap the Dow and S&P's 6-day winning streak. Overseas, it's a mixed bag. China's major markets reopened for the first time after taking a break for the Lunar New Year. The Shanghai Composite closed up 0.4%. The Hang Seng and the Nikkei in Japan were lower by about 0.8 and 0.1% respectively. In Europe, the markets are mostly flat, but the FTSE in the UK is down 0.12%. They've still got about 3 hours to go. Back here in the States, shares of Walmart are actually taking a hit this morning because the retail giant has just released its earnings report and says it fell short of expectations in its earnings per share, but beat predictions for revenue and same-store sales. The company has been fighting hard against Amazon to win a larger share of the grocery and apparel markets, but you can see here the after-hours drop right now. After it released its report, it's down a little more than, it looks like 6%. And Bitcoin is up again today. Take a look at this. Right now it's at 11,500, up more than 3%. But if you ask Bank of England's Governor, Mark Carney, Bitcoin has failed as a currency. He says it is not a good way to store value or to buy things, but he did admit that the underlying blockchain technology could prove useful for verifying transactions in a decentralized way. And speaking of cryptos, Venezuela is getting in on the act, preparing to launch its own digital coin called the Petro. Government officials say the Petro will be backed by its oil, gas, gold, and diamond reserves. Many see it as Venezuela's attempt to alleviate the economic sanctions imposed by the U.S. and the European Union. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Check out our past reports at realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we'll see you again after the opening bell.